Tesla semi-factory expansion gets its first full exterior corner. Construction on Tesla's semi-factory is coming together fairly quickly, with a recent video update showing the site after getting its first full corner made up of steel beams and columns. In a video update on Saturday, Tesla semi-advocate and Gigafactory Nevada drone observer Zangler shared footage of the perimeter steel columns and beams as they now wrap around the factory's northeast corner. The video, taken mid-morning on Friday, also shows the perimeter having made it about halfway down the eastern side of the factory as they continue to head south. Viewers can see a few loading bays built into the building's perimeter, some of which will be used for the delivery of raw materials. The video also shows a lone Tesla semi sitting beside the factory expansion site, and Zangler says he has reason to believe that it was being used for a media shoot of some sort. You can check out the full update from Zangler below. Tesla initially broke ground on the semi-plant at the Giga Nevada construction site in January, as part of a larger endeavor to build dedicated production facilities for the electric Class 8 truck and the 4680 battery cell. Upon completion of the semi-factory and the 4680 battery cell factory, the two expansions are expected to employ roughly 6,500 additional full-time workers. In addition, Tesla is also looking to scale semi-production to 50,000 units per year upon reaching volume production. Currently, Tesla is aiming to begin production at the semi-plant late next year, before starting external customer deliveries in early 2026. However, Tesla has already delivered a handful of early units to a few select companies in recent years, starting with initial deliveries to PepsiCo in 2022. Now, PepsiCo has 86 Tesla semi-units in its fleet. Since then, Tesla has also begun initial deliveries and testing periods with other clients such as DHL, Walmart, and Martin Brower, and the company has also doubled down on its efforts to eventually go global with the semi. Last month, Tesla semi-program manager Dan Priestley showed off the semi at the IAA conference in Munich, Germany, and Elon Musk earlier this month confirmed Tesla's plans to make the semi available around the world. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.